you were jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the road ain't no far, we can do it there.
Howdy, partners. Anyway, we are
Partners?
on.
How are the partners?
Partners.
Yeah, not Yardie belly.
Oh, not them there? Oh. Anyway, guys, we are out and about. Yes, it's another. Josh, you legit just yawn.
Why?
Wow.
So?
Yeah, we're on the street, you guys, on the road. We literally just left Orlando and we are en route to Daytona Beach. Yes, guess why? You don't want to believe why we're on the road. You guys probably think we're idle, but we're not idle. We're in pursuit of the largest, most famous gas station, food place, restaurant. Tell me, you guys are the ones who know about it.
Gas station.
Anyway, supposedly with the best gas station food. So that's where we're going. And I think it's called what, babe?
Buc-Ee'S.
Buc-Ee'S. So if you have a Buc-Ee'S in your area, you're lucky. We do
You're
not.
Lucky's.
You're lucky. We don't have one near to us, so we have to go and find it wherever it is. Alright, and shout out to my kitchen, who we got the inspiration from. He actually visited one
In Texas.
and apparently he had rave reviews about the food. So if we make we drive 3 hours and the food is not good, then we're gonna
I'm worried.
we're gonna just if the food not good.
Just kidding.
Oh god. Anyway, guys, so stay tuned and we will show you what Buc-Ee'S have
Look
to
at that, Josh.
offer.
Look, the lake.
Oh, Papa people, look guys.
You're not seeing it, you know, see. What are you seeing on the phone?
The lake.
Clear sky where I see.
That's what you think.
Clear sky. One hour.
A lady. She swerve over.
Mine and me swerve on the lady, you know. You ever feel like when we got so a while ago?
Yeah, but
I think it's me. So. I'm so hungry, guys. I am so hungry. This better be a good place. You understand? From what we have heard, Buc-Ee'S is the largest gas station and convenience store in the US and maybe in the world. Maybe into the world. And I hear that they have over 100 gas pumps, and they have the largest convenience store in the world. So we're gonna check it out. And right now we are maybe about 12 miles away, and the excitement is brewing. The anticipation is anticipating.
the hunger is stirring.
Let's see what happens, alright?
I don't know if you can tell how huge this place is. Mad huge.
Nice brisket sandwich. Love melts. It's okay to shoot you guys the food, right? Oh man, that looks good, man. I'm coming back for one of those. I'm coming back for one of those, man. Oh man.
They're right there.
There you go. Glazed almonds, cinnamon glazed pecan, cookie bites.
Alright, so they have little stations that you can grab and go. And then they have over here another station where I think you can be served. Texas barbecue. Oh. Okay, so in addition to the grab and go sandwiches and fries and stuff like that, they also have a whole lot of jerkies that you can order by the pound, and these look so interesting. Hot and spicy hill country jerky, ghost pepper jerky, Bohemian garlic jerky, wow, pepper turkey jerky, lemon pepper jerky, mild jerky hill country, wow. And then they have sausages, wow, teriyaki jerky. Wow, this is crazy.
So we're here trying turkey, jerky turkey, all different flavors. Which one you prefer?
No voice yesterday and squeaking all day today. But she says she feels fine besides that.
That's it.
Is this super spicy?
The hot and spicy?
Yeah.
Is it very spicy?
No, it's just got good flavor. Thank you for helping us. It's hot, but it's got flavor. It's like the ghost is just downright hot.
Yeah, the moist one is better. The moist turkey. This is super hot. Is it hot?
Not for you. It's giving me shrimp vibe. Pepper cream.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. You see the prices?
Where that here?
Wow. Wow. All right, so what are you waiting on, Josh?
I ordered a sandwich and fries. Pastrami.
Sandwich
Peruvian
and
pastrami with chili and cheese fries.
Wow, Joshua went ham. Look what number you have.
377.
Okay.
Pastrami?
Pastrami and something. Where do you see the prices? The choices on the screen? Oh, okay. All right. I'm gonna walk around. Oh, that spicy one, spicy, guys. The spicy one, spicy. But we're gonna walk around more. I'm gonna walk around more. So she is now ordering from here.
No, I don't want that.
So the Reuben something here with Joshua did.
Wow.
That's the one Joshua got.
Wow, toasted pressed bun with pastrami, with that cheese.
Here they have cold cut sandwiches. They have mashed potatoes, chicken salad, and a whole bunch of stuff. They have a beautiful salad right here. Yeah. Look at these salads, Josh. And here's the thing. The croissant. There are a bunch of stuff, man. Let me spin around this whole thing. Look. Crazy, right? This is crazy. Here's the banana pudding. Josh. The banana pudding, you want it? And they got pickles. I'm gonna look for the pickled eggs. So they have a whole section on clothes, you know, souvenirs. It's just crazy, guys. You could just, I mean, everything is Buc-Ee'S, everything. Lunch kits, clothes, pajamas. They got even costumes. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is so big. Fitting room over there. They have stuffed toys. Then they have a whole bunch of hunting gear. You know, like if you're in Texas, camping stuff. I like this hat. Oh, some big hat. All these things, bruh. You come here, you definitely have to buy something. You can't just leave. I mean, even shoes. They have shoes. Mark Buc-Ee'S. Look at this. Salt Life. Definitely. I would definitely, you know, shop here if I were like, you know, looking for souvenirs and stuff like that. It would be a nice place to come. It would be a very nice place to be. Where did Joshua go? I don't know where Joshua went now. It's so big, I'm losing everybody. I have to go try to find him. They have those and they have those at the bottom. Of different variety of the beaver nuggets. So we're going, we have some stuff in our cart and we're going to look for pickled eggs. Right here they have a bunch of different pickles. Yeah?
This is quail eggs.
Quail eggs. Look at this. Mango, habanero salsa, black bean and corn salsa. Over here they have jams and stuff like that.
Order 403 is ready at the building. Second call for
They have granola. And they have quail eggs. For $10. Wow. $10 for pickled quail eggs. And they have olives, different types of olives. Let's
That would be the regular.
right here. Oh, all right, mega ox. So all along here is just regular convenience store stuff. You know, they have sauces and seasonings and more of their cotton candy stuff and dried mango and, you know, general convenience store stuff. A lot of it is branded, you know, for Buc-Ee'S. A lot of it is branded for them. You know, for instance, their chips, they have their own brand. Chips. It's crazy, right? What did you get, babes?
I got chili cheese fries and
Okay. I saw the salad. I was gonna get one. To be honest with you. But I don't know. I want more sandwich. I only got one sandwich. I'm only get one sandwich, guys. Some of the stuff is way expensive. You know? Like the Buc-Ee'S nuggets thing where them sell one Buc-Ee'S nuggets thing. That's famous and it.
You never tried it?
I never tried it. It's like $5 to the pack. It's like something like this.
What is it?
It's just like chips, like cheese chips type of thing. And we wanted to try the quail egg, but we never get none. Them not have none. Joshua go get. Look on the mountain of drinks that Joshua go get. Let me show you the something. No, we didn't. Let me show you the thing. See it right there? That at the bottom there?
Oh. They cost for like 79 cents.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's famous. It's like a sweet. It's like a sweet chips.
Cornmeal.
Yeah, it's like that. It's almost like.
You're a vlogger. You have to buy it.
Guys, she's saying I have to buy it.
And not buy their world famous.
But it's just the same because Mikey Chen was talking about that. He said this is very good. The lemon crisp. So it's like she wants me to buy everything, guys. She wants me to buy everything. Have you had those before?
I don't know, man. I heard they were good, but I don't know.
That's what I heard too, but man, at $5 a pop.
I'm not coming back. So good luck. See?
All right, man. He says he's not coming back.
I don't live near here.
Just the same, man. That's rocks. Chocolate rocks. Guys, look at this. This is crazy. Chocolate rocks, guys. Look, it actually look like rocks for true.
It's pretty.
Chocolate rocks. Wait.
Corn pepper salsa.
It's crazy.
I'll eat this. Come on. Everything's $6.
I told you. It's like, yeah, that's what it is. It is what it is.
Maybe we should have beef jerky. Let's put that to the side.
You know what, guys? If we wait, let me turn this around. If we come out to the place and we're gonna experience this thing, make us experience the thing. You understand what I say? Joshua wanted quail eggs. Look at the quail eggs, babes.
I know this one.
Yeah, but you know what I mean. Well, it wasn't quail eggs he wanted. He wanted regular eggs, but they're done. There's just the quail eggs left. Josh, you can put the drink in the cart, you know. Put the drink in the cart.
So Josh.
Oh.
Yes.
Here.
So, don't you know that you can scoop up some of the pickle juice and put boil egg in there, paper?
Yeah, we can. For real. Look, see, pickled beets.
Yeah, we need to make some. What about that part? We do have pickle juice.
Yeah, we do. All right. Over here they have another section with just, you know, different souvenirs, household things. You know, you just basically pick up what you like. Nice housewares and things. It's too much to show, you know. There's just a whole bunch of stuff, and see, as far down as you can look, they have stuff, you know. It's just crazy. You name it, they have it by way of souvenir. Then they have clothes, you know, Christmas clothes, pajamas. Huh? Anything she's comfortable with. Tell her to use the card if she's comfortable, whatever. You know? And guess what, guys? The rumors are true. They do have the cleanest bathroom in the whole entire world. The best convenience store with the cleanest bathroom. It's true. It's true, them I tell. The bathroom clean.
Even the bathroom is so well designed, nice, huge. Each stall is so huge, you guys. It's not funny. So huge. And then each stall has a sanitizing station. And literally, the female section has about 50 stalls. I'm not joking. Look. Look. Oh my gosh, look. So many stalls. It's not even funny.
So we're right outside of Buc-Ee'S by the highway. That's the highway over there. And we're ready to eat. I'm gonna just try to sample the food, you know? Make everybody taste buds go crazy. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So I got the brisket, sliced brisket, pulled pork, and the chopped brisket. I can't wait to dig into the chopped brisket first. What did you get here, Josh? Reuben pastrami with fries and chili cheese. Boom. Joshua, go on bad. What's this?
Sam chili cheese, fries.
Oh, that looks crazy. That looks crazy. Did he get the fork?
I got one.
Okay.
Today. I know, challenge.
So, how's that?
It looks crazy, but it tastes good.
It tastes good.
Yeah?
Good. Is that real beef?
It is real beef. I mean, they it's good.
Yeah, it tastes good.
And here is your chopped brisket. Guys, I'm going to go in for now and tell you now what I think. You can look. It's full of beef. Full, jam-packed full of beef.
It's not pork.
I mean, to turn off. Someone needs to turn it off, you know. turn this. Yeah. Thank you. We work with limited resources. Look at this, babes.
Wow.
And
Sure,
this
what
make
are the jalapenos?
this make pan spot. Babe, you have to try this, baby. Joshua, bite that and taste it.
Wow.
Go down. Joshua, turn around. Guys, it's really good. More food for try. More food for try. So this is the mustard potato salad. And look at the price. $2. Alright?
It looks good.
And we never really want to go with no whole for Evanis. I just want to try them sandwiches, especially the ones where Mikey can try, but you know? It's good. Oh wow, Josh.
I'm not a
You
potato
want some?
salad girl.
Tell me about that. It's good, don't? You want some, James?
Yeah, I'll try.
You know, yeah, try a little bit.
It tastes like mustard and relish.
You know, over the mayonnaise.
But why the potato tastes like yam? No,
That might be yum.
the texture.
It says potato. I'm sorry.
Buc-Ee'S are 2 for 2 for me.
2 for 2
2 for 2, because the pulled pork, the pulled beef
was a win.
was a win. And now the potato salad, it's a work.
Nah, What about the fries?
Boring.
It was good too. Okay, so I got the
Wait. Go.
Okay, so I got the
Pastrami.
pastrami Reuben sandwich, and
Will it good?
this is how it looks.
Wow. Look at this, guys.
It has
Thick
onions and
Slice
stuff.
of pastrami on a Reuben bun. I saw something like so. No.
Mustard and that and cheese. And
All right. Try it now. Take a bite. In film chest always eye guys. Him always have to buy the hot things them. How it is. And guys, by the way, I must tell you now, it's cold. Outside they're cold.
And this thing come and go off with a sweater.
Don't eat me because I'm beautiful.
mustard is very good.
Look on that, man. And it have bacon, you know. Yeah, it have bacon with the pastrami. How that tastes, babes? No, sir. Buc-Ee'S are going to like sell them one be world class.
I like the French bread.
Wait, I'm biting the same place your mommy bites here. Because I know you don't want people all over your food. What? I don't know. What?
It's just not salty, that's why.
Maybe.
It's not salty.
It's not salty at all.
It's good. It's just like a quality sandwich. It's just not my favorite.
Lame.
You know what I mean? But it's good. It's really good.
This is a fajita, mama fajita taco or something like chicken fajita taco. It's basic.
Try it. The proof is in the taste. You go, Joshua.
If it nice and hot, it will be. The onions is grilled.
Actually, outside they're cold. How is it? It's good? Yeah.
Not bad.
Alright, so the next sandwich is the pulled pork sandwich. And Just like how the beef was, this one is just jam-packed with just pulled pork, just bread and meat. No cheese, no nothing, no fanciness. Just that. Let me go. This is super duper good. Let me tell you, Joshua. This is so good.
Worth it.
I don't care.
Eh?
I don't care.
Okay, I touch your face again. No, sir.
We're out here at Buc-Ee'S acting the fool. And Josh, what else can we get inside Buc-Ee'S? I'm not ready to go.
Nice.
They don't have any, bruh. What else we must get? The lemon something. The little lemon cookies.
I think we're eating with our eyes now.
I don't care. Wanna eat? Shut up. Go ahead. So it was well worth it. I must admit, you know, we came, we saw, and we conquered. Right, Josh? We came, we saw, and we conquered.
Yeah.
We saw and we consumed.
And I'm telling you, I'm gonna save my brisket sandwich till I reach home. And while we're in the car, we'll just go and snack on some of the jerky that we bought. Guys, the jerky was too good to pass. I promise you. I always have a soft spot for real jerky. And this one was really real. So now we got 2.5 hours to drive back to PSL. And we'll see you when we get there.
With water dripping from the sea, you never know when something like this will happen. So let DETOX Insurance Agency help you with homeowners insurance and protect yourself from things like fire, theft, or
super duper delicious. However, I like the beef first. Here, try it. It's good, right?
It's juicy.
Juicy. Your mommy.
I like the beef first too, just because it tastes like that.
The texture is a little bit more, it's more textured.
I don't eat pork enough.
It's good.
This tastes like a young piglin.
A young what?
Piglin. I'm proud of the brisket.
Yeah, the brisket nicer.
Because we smoke it.
Yeah, but this is super duper good just the same. Alright, but we prefer the brisket.
This is very soft and delicate.
Turn it down.
Say it.
2 minutes later.
Why? This is cinnamon roasted almonds. It's nice. It's nice. So nice. So nice. So nice. So nice. Why is it so tough?
287 miles to Miami.
Oh, okay. is the Smokehouse beef jerky, and it was $6.48. Most of them was in this price range, between $6 and $7 and change. Alright, so this is how it looks. This one reminds me of red herring. Straight up. So it says 3 pieces for the price. Pretty not bad.
Them expensive, but them thick.
In teacup.
Like the one I want.
So question, do you think it was worth the trip, the 2-hour trip, 2.5-hour trip?
You know what? We have not absolutely done nothing as a family in a long time. You know? With this whole pandemic and whatever. We haven't gotten the chance to be together as a family to do anything, any type of excursion or nothing. We don't really want to go hotel, go stay and all of them type of thing that, you know? And so, well, yeah, go look where them have. I mean, it was an experience. We've never been in any place big like that before. And to be honest with you, I have not had beef or brisket or anything of that nature since forever. You know, so to go and try it and to get that good quality.
Right, from a convenience store.
Yeah, it was worth it. I give it a 2 thumbs up.
And a Z. Yeah. And guys, that's the direction we want to try to take the channel in a little bit more.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. For 2022, yeah, we're trying to, you know, go out and do more food reviews, but mainly for places that we don't know of, or places that we feel like you might not be too familiar with, you know, so that we
might not be too familiar with.
Yeah, and them too.
No, not them. The people them love the place. Them know the place, and we alone don't know the place. So this was our trip to Buc-Ee'S, guys. We just took with time and drive back home. It was about 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes to reach back home. And we just take with time and drive home, you know, and, you know, go and sample like a piece of jerky there and here and there. We really want to do more trips like these, you know, go up on the road and check out more of Florida and more of the country. So remember to stick and stay with Yardie TV. And oh, yeah, remember to get your 1-day detox as soon as you can. Just dial the number in the description box. Yardie TV. And remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember me tell you.